Hey guys, welcome to Geeta's Kitchen. Today I'm going to share the recipe of how to make adirsam with shop rice flour at your home. So for this recipe, what you need, here I added 2 cup of rice flour, that is chawal ka atta, and into this what I'm going to do, I'm going to sprinkle some lukewarm water. So I'm making this dish for Janmashtami, and you can prepare this one for any festive season. So yeah. So I'm going to sprinkle some water into this. Don't add too much of water guys, we have to add only little bit. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to use my hand So I added 2 to 3 tablespoons of water. Why we are adding water? Because the rice flour, they will get some moisture. That's why we are adding the water guys. So what I'm going to do, see, I'm holding this one like this, can you see? And by dropping this one, we broke. So this is the consistency guys. So yeah, immediately we have to cover this one with the lid because the moisture should not evaporate. That's why we have to cover this one with the lid. So for this recipe, we have to make the good syrup. So for 1 cup of rice flour, we have to take 1 cup of good. So I added 2 cups of rice flour and 2 cups of good, that is jaggery. So equal proportion guys. And into this, I'm going to add 1/4 cup of water. So here I'm adding some water. So we have to make that pag guys. If you are a South Indian, you know what is pag. And we have to mix this one. So my good is started melting. It becomes syrup now, and we have to cook this one until it becomes a little bit thick. That is called pag. So I will show you guys. So this dish I'm preparing first time in my home. So yeah, let us see how it comes. So it's time to check guys whether my pag is done or not. So what I'm going to do, take a small spoon of this one and I'm going to put this one in the water and so it should be like crystal guys. So my is ready. I will show you. Can you see? It should be like this. So that means my jaggery pag is ready. See? Yes. So this is ready guys. It will take some time. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to add this one in the rice flour. So before adding, what I'm going to do, I'm going to add some elaichi powder, fresh cardamom powder into this. It gives a nice taste into this, and some fresh ginger powder also. And I'm going to mix these things together, and I'm going to add this one into that rice flour. So don't add all the jaggery syrup into this. We have to add only little bit. So first we have to add 4 tablespoons. Then we have to mix this one. added all the jaggery syrup into this. Can you see? So when it becomes cooled down, I will make the smooth dough of this, guys. It's too hot. So, yeah. So it should be like this. Can you see? My dough is ready. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to apply some ghee in the top of the dough. So what we are going to do, guys, I'm not going to fry this one now. We have to keep this one in the box, and we have to cover that one with a lid, and we have to keep aside for 8 to 9 hours. Then we have to start frying this adhesam, guys. So yeah, so the dough should be like this. So after a very long interval, that is after 8 to 9 hours, I'm going to make this one. That is the adhesam. Can you see the dough? It's very thick, and it's time to start rolling. So we have to take a small ball of this. You can use the banana leaf, or you can use any plastic sheet. Today I'm using some plastic sheet to make this one. I'm going to apply some oil in this plastic, and I'm going to press this one with the hand. So I did it in very round shape with my hand, and it's time to fry this one in the oil. So we have to fry this adhesam in a medium flame, not in a high flame. This adhesam you will get in all the South Indian temples as a prasad, and I am making this one as a prasad for Janmashtami. So can you see it started coming up? So we have to fry this one until it becomes brown, and it has to be crisp, and inside it has to be very soft, guys. So, yeah. So I will show you the color of the adhesam. So my adhesam is very soft, guys, and so yeah. So this is a quick video of how to make South Indian traditional sweet adhesam at your home. See you soon in another cooking video. If you like this video, please hit the like button for Janmashtami. See you soon. Bye, and please subscribe.